Be ready? Start. In the departmental inquiry, 14 prosecution witnesses were examined. Full stop. Some of these witnesses supported the case of the prosecution, others did not. Full stop. Additionally, material exhibits were also examined, such as the first information report, the memorandum of seizure of the motorcycle, and more importantly, the breath alcohol analysis test of respondent, which was positive for alcohol consumption. Full stop. The delinquent constable had also examined 9 defense witnesses. Full stop. All the 3 charges were ultimately proved against the respondent in the disciplinary proceedings, and he was dismissed from service wide order dated 18/12/1989. Full stop. The order of the disciplinary authority was taken in appeal by respondent, which was also dismissed by the appellate authority on 23/8/1990. Full stop. Then a review was also filed, which was also dismissed on 3/6/1994. Full stop. By the time the reviewing authority had dismissed the review of the respondent, bracket start, that is on 3/6/1994, bracket close, the respondent, who was also facing a criminal trial, was convicted by the trial court under section 392 IPC and under section 3/25 of the Arms Act on 31st March 1994, as already referred above. Full stop. Later, as we know, his conviction was set aside by the Sessions Court. Full stop. Next stanza. Respondent, after his acquittal, moves an application before the authorities for his reinstatement. Full stop. Since the authorities did not respond favorably, he filed a writ petition in the Rajasthan High Court. Full stop. The challenge of his dismissal from service, though, was made only after his acquittal in the criminal case, yet the challenge was on various other grounds as well, such as the order of termination not being passed by the appointing authority, non-supply of inquiry report, not being allowed to cross-examine the witness, etc. Full stop. All these grounds did not find favor with the learned single judge, except for the ground raised by the respondent that now, since he was faced a criminal trial on the same set of charges where he was ultimately acquitted by the Sessions Court, his dismissal order is liable to be quashed and he should be reinstated in service. Full stop. The learned single judge allowed his writ petition and his dismissal order was quashed, and orders for his reinstatement were made with 50% back wages. Full stop. State of Rajasthan filed an appeal against this order before Division Bench of the High Court, which was dismissed on 9/9/2020. Full stop. The state is now before this court against the order of reinstatement passed by the High Court. Full stop. We must reiterate that the High Court, both in the writ petition and special appeal, had allowed the case of respondent Phul Singh only on the ground that now, since he has been acquitted by a criminal court on the same set of facts and charges on which he had faced a departmental proceedings, violation of principles of natural justice and fair play, or lack of jurisdiction of the authority had found favor with either the learned single judge or the division bench. Full stop. Next stanza. The case of the state who is the appellant before this court is that the respondent was a member of the disciplined force. Full stop. There were extremely serious charges against the respondent in the departmental proceedings. Full stop. He was charged of threatening and extorting money from a member of public roaming in a public place under influence of liquor and then using a firearm and causing injuries, which were all very serious charges. Full stop. Respondent was given full opportunity to defend his case in the departmental proceedings. Full stop. Over.